Okay, we're in Uranus on Route 66. The only thing open is that general store right now, but they have a lot of Uranus themed things.
Yeah, a lot of unique and interesting things in there. And a lot of bad jokes.
Yeah. They have a party bar and grill there. A lot of touristy things over there. There's a little sign up there. And a little tiki bar. Missing pair of balls. Do you have a missing pair of balls in Uranus?
I hope not.
World famous saloon. We must be early for this, huh?
Yeah.
The burlesque.
It's only 1 p.m.
Is it too early for the burlesque? Oh yeah, showgirls, 24 beautiful and 1 ugly. Mermaid's Cabaret. It's little banditos up there, playing his little trumpet, what string, coconut. I dare you to bite into a plastic coconut. Skin City. There's some interesting things.
I think this bit's my favorite bit.
This bit's your favourite bit?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. So they got indoor axe throwing in there. That looks kind of interesting. A little old fire truck here. So, oh look at that! Oh look at those hoses. So, oh no, the transfer valve has been switched. Yeah, indoor axe throwing. The funky yard. Yeah, here's the axe throwing, I think. Ah, this must be new. The wood looks kind of new. Watermelon table. Ah, look at this. He's looking the wrong way. Yeah. You don't need to see. That sign. That's look at these highway dinosaurs. So there's a little butthole sign there. So over here. Oh, look over here.
Yeah.
Or do you want to just go home?
No. You can see all this from afar. It looks pretty cool from up here.
Yeah.
The butt thing as well.
Yeah, I see the butt. Yeah. I got all the coverage of the butt. Don't worry. So what we got here? It's not a town. It's a destination. Hey, is this the place with the 25 flavors of wings, or is that somewhere else?
I don't know. Maybe. They say wings up there.
Look at this stuff here. Little machines. Yeah, it's an oil tanker thing. Oh, look at that astroliner. Hey, Phillips 66 has been around so long I haven't ever seen any in Nevada. At least in Vegas. Oh, look at that thing. What is it? Oh. Yeah, this is my favorite one. That's my favorite. Yeah, there we go. Uranus, Missouri, home of the pirates. Pretty entertaining stuff.